Baguio. Praise the Lord for being the indwelling Spirit. Without being the Spirit, no, there's no way for us to enjoy and experience this triune God, no, this marvelous triune God, not just as life, but His very person. Nagustuhan ko yung sa day 6, sabi, available, Spirit of life. So, our God, no, lagi siyang ready, waiting for the opportunity para maka-enter into us. Pero tayo, we need to always be willing and be open para to allow Him to penetrate even to the hidden parts of our being. We would like to take this opportunity also na pasalamatan kayo. Daghang salamat sa Ginoo para sa mga igsuon dito, diri sa Mindanao. Salamat po. Dito, no, it's an unforgettable experience. Sabi nga yung young people din namin, malalakas pa kami. At taga na ng ganitong experience na uminda kami sa kapagkanta, kumanta kami